Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
how to connect Kick to OBS.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
Connecting Kick to OBS typically involves capturing the screen using the OBS software. Here's a general guide on how to do this. You can't actually use display capture here. To do this, go to the Kick website on your PC to make sure you have an account. Launch OBS on your PC. In OBS section, create a new scene by right-clicking on the empty space. Then hit on Add button. Instead of selecting Window Capture, choose Display Capture from the list of sources. Name the source, for example, Kick Display, then hit OK. Then just go back to Kick, undo the live stream. And that's how to connect Kick to OBS.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.